Has anybody ever had like corned beef hash? It isn't delicious. Like I love that. It's freaking delicious. Whatever. Anyways, you see these cards right here? Hold on. Let's see if I can sort them out. Brad Richards, Bobby Howard, Ilya Brizgalov, whatever, Ryan Getzlaff, and Paul Rainer. Victory cards. These cards are freaking awesome, right? They're like $1 on eBay. And I'm like, why? Because these are like, even though they're not the most important players, they're pretty important players. Yeah, number 131, number 188, number 45, number 192, and number 24. I don't know, maybe I'm just bored. And I'm making a YouTube video because I'm bored. Things like that happen to me sometimes. Ooh. I also got a public skate card. This card is out for 10 admissions to Canyon Ice Sports public skating session. The Royal Multi-Sports Conflicts card must be presented and punched prior to entering the circuit. Okay, I don't really want to talk about what I just did. Burping. Okay, so you have these girls, and they're like, oh my god, I can't believe you just burped. And I'm like, I'll get used to it, girl, because it happens. And I know so many people that'll be like, but she just burped in front of her boyfriend. Yes. My boyfriend allows me to burp in front of him because he don't care. Because he knows that I don't care. I don't care because I don't care what he thinks. I don't. I don't care if I burp in front of him. If he tells me not to, he can bite me. But personally, I think he likes it. I like to have burping contests with people because I can. And you have people like my grandma, who's like, you shouldn't burp in front of people because he does not want you like. Sorry, that's not my grandma. My grandma actually is pretty with burping. She's good. She's good. No, it's I'm trying to think of somebody I know who does that. I know a lot of people though, because I will go to school and I will burp, and these girls will be like, "Are you gonna say excuse me?" No. I had a bodily function, and I chose to do it. It's like farting. You gotta do what you gotta do. If you're in school and you gotta fart, you know what you do? You stand up and you do the walk. I like to call it the walk off. You walk and you slowly let it rip as you walk. So that way everybody you walk past just gets this odor, and it's like, and you're laughing and you're dying inside, but you don't laugh on the outside because then they'll know. You just gotta slowly. Or you sit in your seat. That's my favorite one. And you just do it. Make it as loud as possible, and then look at the person next to you. Ew! And you're good. You're good. What was another one I used to, oh, if you gotta fart. Say you are next to the cleanest kid in the world, which I doubt because there's not many of them. Say you're next to the cleanest kid in the world, and you got a fart, and you don't want them to like be like, ooh, and clean out the whole class. Or say I'm gonna change it. Never mind. Say this person's really annoying, and you don't like them at all. You stand up, you sit in that person's face, and you let it rip. You let it rip.
It's going to give you fresher breath.
More advice. Talking about school home.
Giving up anything in order to get sensitivity relief. For sensitivity, we recommend Sensodyne. We don't recommend any other brand.
It's all done. Anyways. Okay. Anyways. Hold on. I gotta do it again. Okay, here we go. Anyways. As I was saying, another thing you do at school. The teacher comes up to you. I've had this happen at least 4 times, and they're usually with Mrs.Burgo. Everybody knows who that is. She will take something of yours. Just because she can, if she sees it, it is gone. You better kiss it goodbye. I had a friend who brought her dog into class. It's like this little puppy, right? And she brought it for another friend. That other friend put the dog on her desk. Miss Burgo comes walking on by because she doesn't think my friend is doing her work. She comes walking on by, takes the dog. She wasn't even touching it. It was on the edge of her desk. Miss Burgo thought that she was talking, so she just came by and took the dog. I'm trying to keep it down because my head's slipping. But she just came by and she took the dog. So, I walked up to the desk, took the dog, stuck it in my pants. I had on these track pants. They were like the 90s track pants, not the new track pants that are like fabric-y and stuff. I mean the old track pants with the what's the fabric? It's like silk. Like you guys know what I'm talking about, it doesn't matter. Anyways, I took the dog and I stuck it in my pants. And I walked away. And then I gave it to my friend, and my friend shoved it in her shirt. Miss Burgo starts to figure, she's like, "Where's the dog?" And Marissa's like, I mean my friend. My friend goes, she gets a smile across her face, and I'm sitting there and my face is just red, and I'm just like I want to kill her sometimes. She's just like really annoying. I finally got switched out of the class. But she goes, Where is it, Marissa? And I mean, the person, my friend looks at her, she goes, "It's in her pants." I looked up, I said, "No, it's not anymore. Where is it, Sabrina?" It's in her shirt." Marissa goes, my friend, I did it again. My friend goes, "It's in my shirt. You're welcome to come get it if you'd like." And she held open her ROTC jacket and just like let it out. And Miss Burgo walks up to her and she's like, "Go to the office." My friend walked out. She just left, and Miss Burgo took the dog from her again, and we ended up having to get it back. And so what I did to this teacher is just the coolest thing I've ever done to a teacher. I know it sounds lame when you think about it, but if you had read it, it was pretty fracking awesome. It was pretty fracking awesome. I wrote a letter. Me and my 2 friends that were involved wrote down a letter, and we had the whole entire class sign it. And we even showed it to our parents. Or I showed it to my parents, I don't know about them. And then we handed it to her, and she flipped a nut. She called my parents and was like, "Your daughter is going down a dark path. She's following these 2 girls, and blah, blah, blah." Like, okay, I'm not following them. There is no leader, but if there was a leader, it would be me, because I decided to write the letter. It was my idea to write the letter, and I could. And then I got switched out of her class because she didn't like me. And she said some really awful things. And I know I'm still ranting. Now I'm ranting. It's not even funny anymore. I'm just ranting. But she was like annoying. And I had another friend in her class. And every day he would walk in, and every day she would call him Robert. 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 My name's not Robert. Then finally, she learned his name. Next trimester, because we had 3 trimesters, and the third one I wasn't in the class anymore because I got switched out. But in the second trimester, he was in the class with me again. He walked in. Robert, you're late on the first day. His name's not Robert. It's... Never mind. Don't call him Robert. And he's just like, my name's not Robert. And I looked at him like, my name's not Robert. Just Bob. My name is Bob. And I'm like, yeah, that's because of the stuff. Anyway. But, it was pretty annoying. She got real annoying real fast. I don't like her. And anybody who watches this video and knows who she is will say, I don't like her either. Because she is annoying and she is a big, you know, Mrs.Burgo is the biggest in the whole wide world. She's the biggest that ever was. All the boys and girls. So yeah. Anyways, okay. Well,